Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the exact place you will edit. This ensures you work on the live game asset. Once open, enable View Right Arrow Explorer and View Right Arrow Properties so you can see UI objects and settings. Next, expand Starter GUI and look for a chat object or a chat script module. These control in-game chat. You must be precise. Modifying the wrong GUI can break interfaces, so click the chat entry now and prepare to modify its properties or remove the chat module. Once you've located the chat instance, set its enabled property to false to turn off chat immediately, or right-click and delete the chat script if you want a permanent removal. If you prefer code, insert a local script into starter player scripts that calls starter GUI, set core. Chat makes system message, text equals chat disabled, and hides chat frames. This forces override across clients. After making the change, run play solo and test messaging. Make sure chat elements no longer appear and confirm there are no console errors in output. Finally, save and publish the place so the disabled chat propagates to the live game. After publishing, test the published version on each target platform, PC, mobile, and console, because behavior can differ by client. Make sure server-side scripts or third-party plugins have not re-added the chat module. If chat still appears, clear Roblox cache, restart the client, and retest. Troubleshooting tip: check output for errors and inspect any auto-run scripts or community plugins that might restore chat automatically.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.